In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of magnesium and how it can be the missing link to optimal health and well-being. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, including the regulation of heart rhythm, muscle and nerve function, and blood pressure. Despite its importance, many people are not getting enough magnesium in their diet, leading to deficiencies that can cause a range of health problems. But before we delve into the specific benefits of magnesium, let's first take a look at why it's so important. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, making it essential for maintaining optimal health. It helps regulate the body's electrolytes, supports healthy bone density, and helps with energy metabolism and protein synthesis. It's also important for proper nerve function and plays a role in muscle relaxation, making it essential for maintaining a healthy sleep cycle. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using a full-spectrum magnesium supplement. Full-spectrum magnesium supplements are made with multiple forms of magnesium, which makes them more bioavailable, meaning they are more easily absorbed by the body. This is important because different forms of magnesium have different absorption rates, and using a full-spectrum supplement can help ensure that your body is getting the maximum benefit from the supplement. One of the biggest benefits of magnesium is its role in maintaining a healthy heart. Magnesium helps regulate heart rhythm and has been shown to lower the risk of heart disease and hypertension. It's also been shown to lower the risk of stroke and improve overall cardiovascular health. Magnesium is also essential for proper bone health. It helps with the absorption and metabolism of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones. In fact, studies have shown that magnesium deficiency is linked to osteoporosis and bone loss. Supplementing with magnesium can help support healthy bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. In addition to its role in heart and bone health, magnesium has also been shown to have a number of other health benefits. It can help improve sleep quality and reduce the risk of insomnia, support healthy blood sugar levels, and even reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. It's also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with a range of health conditions including asthma, migraines, and fibromyalgia. So, as you can see, magnesium plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal health and well-being. If you're not getting enough magnesium in your diet, or if you're experiencing any of the health problems previously mentioned, consider adding the full-spectrum magnesium supplement in the description below to your routine. Remember to keep fit simple and utilize the benefits of magnesium to your fullest advantage. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.